Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders, we narrowed down what the most sought after information was, and we created this course, Entry and Exit Strategies. It's over 5 hours in length, and we go over different signals that the charts tell us for when to buy and when to sell. If you are the kind of trader that is still looking at charts and not realizing what it is trying to tell you, still feeling a little bit overwhelmed, this course is designed to alleviate that uncertainty. So the course outline, we're going to go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, recognizing the different indicators signaling bullish and bearish entries, being able to identify support and resistance levels, poor entries where traders make mistakes and how to avoid them, exit target, knowing where to sell your positions, where to place stop losses to keep those losses minimal, my personal preparations, how I get ready for the trading day, and then piecing it all together, looking back at everything we just learned and applying it to the real world. As a bonus, we'll also look at an intro to finding entries and exits with patterns, and you'll recognize these patterns on all kinds of time frames throughout the stock world, so certainly beneficial to be able to trade off of those as well. So we hope you will check out this course, and again, we feel it will build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge that experience will build off of and send you on the right direction to making more profitable trades.
Looking at SPY, daily, weekly, shorter-term time frames, so the bulls held up compared to yesterday. The fact that they didn't break the low of yesterday let us know that the bulls were stronger than anticipated. And we have an inside candlestick, the range of today, fitting completely within the range of yesterday, showing that tightening range. And that means if we get a break of 227.81 tomorrow, we'll be looking back to the all-time high. And if we get a break of 225.89, we're looking at the low of yesterday, and then down to 224.26, the next support level. So the bulls are absolutely still in control, and again, that is a very nice recovery from a scary day short term for the bulls, but on the weekly time frame, we're still above the upper Bollinger Band in breakout mode. That level is 225.43. It's a bearish reversal doji at the top of an uptrend. A red week next week, losing the upper Bollinger Band support would confirm that, but as of right now, bulls are still strong, so we're going to have to see if we break the low of this consolidation, that low of yesterday, and if we do, that would increase the odds significantly, in my opinion, that we would confirm this bearish reversal doji next week. So looking at the 5-minute time frame, the level to be watching this week, I call it the week of 227, and that's because this psychological round number, look at today acting at this level, a bounce off of that on consolidation, pull back again, a bounce off of it, and it was a bit of a bearish reversal, head and shoulders pattern, not exactly the look that a normal head and shoulders would usually have, but the neckline of support was clear at 227, and as soon as we broke it, we saw an increase in bear volume and just a flush for 10 minutes, and then look at the bounce attempt. Look at these rejections from 227, 1, 2, 3, and then right at the end of the day. So it's very clear that 227 psychological is support when we're above it and resistance when we're below it. And we look back at the past few days, and this is why I call it the week of 227. Look at how the price has reacted to this level over the past 3 days. It bounced off of support back on Wednesday. It bounced off of support initially back on the Thursday dump. Then we dumped below it. The high of the bounce attempt rejected at 227. And then today, all that action. So 3 days now, 227 has been a clear level to be watching. And we closed right below that level. So we're going to be watching very closely to see if the bulls are able to regain that 227 psychological level as support by the end of the week heading into next week. And also looking at the hourly time frame, you can see the tightening range. We had the dump yesterday. We bounced off the 100 period hourly support twice. And in the video yesterday, I said that's an important level to keep watching. We bounced off of it at the low of the day at the open. We bounced just above it at the low of that consolidation in the middle of the day. So that is still a key support level. And now we have a lower high to be looking at. So a higher low, lower high, there's your tightening inside candlestick on the daily time frame seen on a different time frame. And if we lose this 100-hour moving average support, we're looking at the low of yesterday, 225.37. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in to see how the week wrapped up. I hope you have a great night.